Hi everyone, this is Dave McMillan from Shaving Time, shavingtime.co.uk. I have the new Supply V2 razors in stock now. A little agreement with Supply, who are based in Austin, Texas. Here is here is one of the Supply razors. Oops, let's put it in the right place. Now, single edge. And this is the Alloy Classic Matte. Okay, comes in a nice little box, a nice description on the back. And let's open her up. I removed the cellophane earlier, as you do. Okay, right, this is the Alloy Matte, as opposed to the stainless steel matte, which is made of stainless steel. So, what do we have? We have a razor. Let's pop that out. That side. So there we go, the Supply version 2 single edge safety razor. Comes with a blade fitted, as you can see there, and it comes with the comfortable, sorry, my apologies, it comes with the sensitive attachment. You get 3 attachments with each razor. Let's put that down just now. Let's see, put it in the right place. Sorry, still getting used to my camera, I apologise. Right, nice little leaflet telling you what to do, how to prepare the skin, and how to put in the blades. The blades are basically the Schick style. I'll show you that now. And what that means is that you basically pop that in to the side of the razor, like so, and that will push right in. If I push it in now, it's going to push this blade out, so I'm not going to do that. And then once that's inserted, that plastic bit there goes fully into that hole there. That pushes the existing blade out, and then using the slider here, moving that along, that will push the new blade into the razor. So this plastic inserted fully into the razor pushes out the existing blade, and then you insert the new one. And this can be used with Schick razors as well, or you can use blades used for Schick with the Supply. I do have quite a few of these in stock. Okay, pop them over there. So the heads, 2 heads, 3 heads, my apologies. The one that's on the razor. Then we have one for the close shave settings. And they look like this. If I can get the box open, there we go. Okay. And it tells you a little dot on the side, which means ultra close. 3 holes. Yeah, and then this one here will have, let me just put this one back so we don't get mixed, well, we can't get mixed up. It's impossible to get mixed up because there's 3 circular dots on each head. This one has 2 dots, which is the comfortable shave. Come on, there you come, there we go, as you can see, 2 dots right there. Okay, and finally, the one that's on here already, and I'm just going to pop this off, which means the blade's going to fall out anyway, but we'll sort that later. So a little screw underneath. Okay, undo that entirely, take it out, it's spring loaded, you can see a little spring on the end there. This comes off, out falls the blade, and then you have one on there, which is for sensitive skin. And let's be honest, start with this one and see how you get on. Okay, now let's see if I can pop this on here manually without cutting myself. Failing that, I will have to slide it in from the side. So there are, yeah, let's see how we get on. Whoops, well, it fell off, so there you go. So let's just screw the head back in first using the spring-loaded screw. And yes, I'm going to try and pop that in without cutting myself, which is probably not a good thing to do, but you know, needs must. So there you go. See, we can push that in. So you can load them quite easily with your hand, with your fingers, okay? Tighten it up and you're ready to go. So this is the classic matte alloy. Good weight. The weight difference between the alloy and the stainless steel is not that much. I also have the stand, so I haven't got one with me today, but if you had a stand, you would stand that in and it would put it in the right place. Sit like that. So there you have it. Supply of Austin, Texas. A company started by, and it tells you on here, Patrick and Jennifer Cadu, who are the founders, and this is a wonderful little single edge razor. I had the V1 quite a few years ago and I used it for my head and face shaving. I haven't used this yet. I think my next video will be using this razor to shave. Probably not my head, just my face. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching me unboxing the Supply single edge razor. If you want them, they're on my site, www.shavingtime.co.uk. Thank you for watching and have a lovely evening.